guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to diffuse your essential oils and to experience aromatherapy. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to diffuse your essential oils and so you can experience aromatherapy. Just keep on watching! Oh, hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing how to diffuse, and I'm gonna be doing Young Living today. Hold on, let me just pause my video. You saw nothing. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to diffuse and how I diffuse and what are my favorite oils and stuff like that. So first, this is my diffuser. And it's Young Living. The thing I like about this is when you turn this thing on, it turns on color of light. But we're gonna be doing that later because we need oil on it. So first, when I'm in the morning, I like to do lemon and peppermint. It's cause that is good for when you're just woken up and you smell lemon and peppermint. It's good for you. It's not too bad when you wake up. You don't smell trash or anything like that. You just smell lemon and peppermint. And then when in the and my favorite one is lemon or citrus. If I'm feeling I just want to diffuse it. Lemon and citrus is my favorite. And then in the nighttime, I use lavender because it's just you feel relaxed and you want to sleep, so that's why I use it. It's also very pretty. That's why I like to use this because it's good for when you want to just relax and be calm. Because if you're calm and relaxed, you can finally sleep. And there's some of them that makes your mood happy and stuff like that. It's because when you smell it, there's a part in your head where you can sense it, and no other part of your body can sense that. So that's why you feel let's say happy or calm, relaxed, enjoying, something like that. So these are some of the oils. We have lavender, we have lemon, we have citrus fresh, we have peppermint, and then we have thieves, and then we have purification. I don't know how to say it properly. And then we have valor. I'm not good with names, okay? So if you know what does this say, comment down below because I do not know how to say it, sadly. And then we have another name that I don't know how to type, which I forget. It is cedar wood. Cedar wood. And then we have. These are hard to get out. Come on, get out. Anyone help me, please? Oh. Okay. So I also have Panaway. I think, if I get these names wrong. And then we have, hopefully, okay, I get it out. Aromazy. You can comment down below if I'm saying the names wrong, like, cause I don't really know the names of these. It's cause I like to only use like the things I know, like peppermint and stuff like that. And then at the bottom here, we also have. Hold on 1 second. We have. How do you get this out? Come on. Okay, yeah, let's just. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's put this here. And oh no, did something spill? Okay, hopefully not. And then we have this. I don't know what's this. You can read it if come on, focus. Focus. Citronella. Oh, citronella? Okay. And then we have this RC. And then we have the DGs. Comment down below again if you know the name. Like also pronounce it properly because I don't know how to pronounce it properly. And then we have this book right here where you can see what oil can go with the other oil, so it's nicer, and then how to diffuse and where did they came from and stuff like that. Here, let's just put it back. And then we also have these stuff. You also have this VG, and we have these two stuff. This is Deep Relief. It's good for, I think, your stomach. And then we have these oils. This is good for when you can rub it on your stomach, I think. And then this is when so if you're feeling sad or you just want to be calm or happy, you can rub this, I think, here or at the back of your neck. And the recipe for this, I think, is grapefruit, lemon, lime, orange, bergamot, white, angelica, VG oil. So yeah. And also we have, what's this? We have this another book of the oils and stuff. So yeah. So now we're gonna have to put this back or else it's gonna be a mess. Put this back, and now I'm gonna show you how to diffuse this. So first you're gonna open your diffuser, then you're gonna need just normal water from tap or any water you have. It's not it just warm water, and then fill it to the top of the red button here. So let's just pour it. Okay, just a bit more. I think that's good. And then now, I'm gonna be doing, which one? I'm gonna be trying lemon. Hold on. Lemon, and let's do citrus. Just to see how it smells and stuff. So, when you're gonna be doing this, you're gonna be doing like, let's say if you're new to oil, you're just gonna be doing 2 drops, or like if you, this is gonna be around kids, like 2 drops is enough, like it's fine. But like if you want to like put more, you can put 5 or 4 drops. But it can't be over 10, or else that's just too much. So now I'm gonna be doing 2 drops. So let's just put 2 drops. I'm doing this very carefully because I have shaky hands. And then, again, let's try 2. Okay, 1. Come on. 1, 2. Okay, I think that's good. Now let's close it. Close it. Now let's put it back so we don't lose it. And now citrus. I like the containers because it looks really pretty. And now just 2 drops. 1, 2. Okay, I think that's a lot, but hopefully not. And then now we have to put this back so we don't lose it as well. Now you're gonna be closing it. And now you will let it, like, you know, turn on, or like if you want a different color, or like 2 different colors, you can now do yellow, and then it will switch to different colors. You can see it smells really nice. I wish you could smell it. You can get this on like just online or like something from the UK, I think. And then, oh, that smells so good. And then if you want just one color, you could do this one. See? Now a different color. And then, or if you don't want, you can turn it off. And also, if you're gonna be doing this as well, and you want to follow, the best water you can do is mineral water for putting it in. And this is not from the UK, I forgot, it's from the US. And if you want like to smell good, or like you want to go into the room and you don't want to smell like trash, or like you want the smell of the room to be nice, you can use this. It's because that I always think when I go into the room and it smells bad, I think it's because of me. I'm not sure. So yeah, and thank you guys for enjoying my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on my next video, guys. Love you guys. Bye.